Welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two of the most popular AI avatar video tools of 2025, Synthesia and HeyGen. If you're a business, marketer, or content creator, you've probably seen AI avatars everywhere. But which one makes more professional videos? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your needs. Synthesia is professional, business-ready, with simple templates and formal avatars great for corporate training, e-learning, and presentations. HeyGen is creative, with flexible avatars, marketing-friendly, and highly customizable, perfect for ads, explainer videos, and social media. We tested both with the same script. Welcome to our online course, introducing our new eco-friendly product. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Synthesia produced smooth, polished corporate avatars, while HeyGen offered avatars with more expression and energy, making them stand out for marketing and engagement. Choose Synthesia if you need formal, clean, professional videos with minimal editing. Choose HeyGen if you want more expressive avatars and flexible customization for engaging content. So, which AI video tool would you pick, Synthesia or HeyGen? Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI comparisons.